That new value graphic shirt product type on Amazon merch could quietly become your best-selling listing of the year. I am the Cha-Ching Queen, your merch on demand news assistant here at Niche Please, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it right. Here's my promise. By the end, you'll know how to pick winning designs for this product and price them smart. And stay with me, because the biggest mistake most sellers make with it is one I'll reveal right before we finish. So what even is the value graphic t-shirt? It's Amazon's lower-priced graphic tee product type built to hit shoppers who are hunting for an affordable option. That lower price point matters more than people think. Shoppers filter and sort by price constantly, and a cheaper tee can win the click when your standard shirt gets skipped. But here's the problem. Most sellers just dump their same old designs onto it and hope for the best. That's leaving money on the table. The value tee has its own personality. It rewards simple, bold, instantly readable graphics, the kind that makes sense at a glance and a low price. Step 1. Match the design complexity to the price. Save your ultra-detailed art for premium shirts and give the value tee clean, punchy, one-idea graphics. Step 2. Lean into evergreen, high-volume niches. Think hobbies, jobs, family roles, funny, everyday sayings. Stuff people buy year-round without thinking twice. Step 3. Write your listing like the shopper is skimming. Front-load the brand, the who it's for, and the occasion in your title and bullets. Okay, here's where it really gets interesting, because pricing this product is where sellers either win or waste it. Amazon updates royalty numbers over time, so I'm not going to quote a figure. Always check your current royalty right in the merch dashboard before you commit to a price. The play is simple. Price it where it feels like a genuine deal, but still leaves you a healthy margin. That sweet spot is what makes the value tee move volume. Quick pause. If you want the deeper breakdowns, niche lists, and templates I don't fit into these videos, come check out our Skool community. The link's in the description, and there's a ton of extra value waiting for you there. Now back to strategy. Use the value tee as a testing ground. Publish a batch of simple designs cheaply and see which ones shoppers actually pull the trigger on. When a design starts selling on the value tee, that's your signal. Take that proven winner and offer it on your premium products too. And that's not even the biggest lever, because there's a mistake that quietly kills value tee listings, and I promised I'd reveal it. It's coming up. Step 4. Keep your metadata unique per listing. Copy-pasting the same title and bullets across products makes them blend together and compete against each other. Step 5. Nail the mock-up. A clean, high-contrast graphic that reads well as a small thumbnail beats a gorgeous design nobody can make out in the search grid. Here's the big reveal. The mistake that kills value tees. Treating price as a race to the bottom. Undercutting to the lowest possible number tanks your margin and signals cheap, not valuable. Value means good design at a fair price, not the cheapest tee on the platform. Compete on how clearly your design speaks to the buyer, then let the price be the gentle nudge. So, your action for today: publish 3 simple, high readability designs on the value graphic t-shirt in an evergreen niche, each with unique metadata. Check your current royalty in the dashboard before you set each price, then let the data tell you which one to scale. That's a real workflow, not a guess. Do that and you're already ahead of most sellers ignoring this product. Subscribe to the Niche Please channel so you never miss a merch on demand update, and join our Skool community with the link in the description for the deeper stuff. This was the Cha-Ching Queen. See you next time.